7 crore Indians suffer from diabetes, another 10 crore from pre-diabetes. According to the World Health Organization, diabetes kills one person every 8 seconds, and 80% of diabetics die of heart attacks. The good news is that diabetes is a dietary disease, and it can be fought with proper diet. Let's hear what the experts have to say on this.
Specialists claim that type 2 diabetes is a chronic, progressive disease. But it's actually a great big lie. Type 2 diabetes is almost always reversible.
Type 2 diabetes is not really incurable, but a predominant factor is breaking of that vicious cycle by control of your weight and diet.
Diabetes happens because of insulin resistance, which typically happens because of excess weight. The ideal solution is to lose weight. But there are no pills to lose weight, and many medicines actually increase insulin in the body, which increases weight as insulin is a weight gain hormone. So, the popular approach here does exactly the opposite of what needs to be done. It's a vicious cycle. More insulin, more weight, more insulin resistance. You need to lose weight to come out of this vicious cycle and fight diabetes.
It has been 1.5 years since I've joined Truweight, and I'm maintaining my sugar levels. If I can avoid insulin with right food, even you can do it.
Before joining Truweight, I was on 4 tablets per day. Now I don't take any medications.
I have reversed diabetes and I am off medicine for more than 3 years now.
Our mission is to help 1 crore Indians fight type 2 diabetes. Join us.